Here's the top 3 platforms that you're sleeping on. Number 2, Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest. Some of y'all like, what the hell is Pinterest? The other people is like, Pinterest? Yes! Major sleeperton. There's millions and millions and millions of people on Pinterest. The best thing about Pinterest is that once you post something, it's almost like Tumblr, what it just never dies. It has second, third, fourth lives of always getting engagement. And those posts that you make on there is always going to carry the link that you put in it. Based heavily on search, SEO, and recommendation. And we talk about the algorithm a lot on every platform. We talk about, oh, TikTok got such a great algorithm. YouTube was birthed off the algorithm. Pinterest algorithm is insanity. And there's a lot of money to be made on Pinterest. And I'm telling you, it's probably 99% of you watching this video don't even be on Pinterest. And you be like, how is it one of the sleepers? I'm telling you right now, if you watching this video, you're going to thank me later once you start establishing your brand on Pinterest.